Hi everyone. It's wonderful to see some familiar faces from prior classes. I apologize for my appearance in advance. I've been homesick the past few days and I don't look so great. But for those of you who I have not met yet, my name is Amy Brower. I currently work as a cognitive therapist at a residential facility for individuals living with traumatic and acquired brain injuries, some of whom also have additional diagnoses such as bipolar disorder, MS, schizophrenia, dementia, you name it. I believe that after years and years of research, professionals are a lot better at assessing and diagnosing mental illnesses. But I also realize that there are a lot of factors that go into assessing and diagnosing different disorders. So some signs and symptoms can overlap with similar disorders. So I feel as though diagnoses can be a little skewed or off in some situations, but I do not currently participate in DSM-5 diagnosis, but I'm very much looking forward to learning more about the process and working with you guys throughout this class. So, cheers to another semester, and I look forward to working with all of you.